Good day to all employers, ma'am and sir. I am Cheryl Claridad Intano. I am 37 years old from Philippines. I am a single parent of two children, boy and girl, ages 15 and 8 years old. And also I have 8 younger siblings, 5 sisters and 3 brothers, and I am the oldest. I worked before as a domestic helper in Kuwait for more than 3 years, from November 2021 to February 2025. My duties and responsibilities are doing household chores like cleaning all around the house, washing their clothes, ironing, and taking care of two kids. I don't need to cook foods for them because they have someone to cook foods for everybody. But I am very willing to learn what is the task that you're giving to me. I am very responsible in my job, loving and caring for babies. And also, I am very honest, and you can be trusted for me for anything. If you hire me, I will do my best to do all my work and duties, and I will promise that I am finished my full-time contract and work with you and your family as long as you need my service. Hope you choosing me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.